the trading plan, your own personal decision-making tool. There to help you decide what, when, and how much to trade, and also when to call it a day. But why do you need one? Well, let's say you're trading Forex. You have a euro-dollar position and it's doing well. Suddenly, the market turns. Do you take your profit now, or do you wait and hope for an upturn? In the heat of the moment, it's a difficult call to make. Without a plan, you're at the mercy of emotion and gut feeling. A trading plan helps you make logical decisions, protecting against impulses that could see your trading spiral out of control. So how do you create one? First, think about what motivates you. Why do you want to become a trader? Is it the potential profit, excitement, or simply to learn more about how the financial markets work? Next, consider how much time you plan to commit to trading. Think about your preferred strategies and the amount of time you'll need to spend preparing, learning about the markets, analysing their movements, and practicing on a demo account. Define your goals. Write down what you want to achieve from your trading. Break it down into daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly targets. Now, what about your attitude to risk? How much of your capital are you prepared to lose on a single trade? 1%? 5%? Or if you plan to have multiple positions, how much are you comfortable risking at any one time? You should also consider the trade-off between risk and reward, the risk-reward ratio. Working out your preferred ratio will help you choose your risk management rules. For example, what type of stop to use and where to set it, and help you decide which trades to make and which to let pass by. Next is the serious business of trading capital. How much of your money you plan to dedicate to trading? While it can be easy to get carried away here, you should never risk more than you can afford to lose. You'll also need to consider which markets you'd like to trade. Be honest with yourself. Which asset classes, regions, and markets do you really understand? Finally, you should plan on keeping a detailed record of what you've been doing, a trading diary. This will help you see which parts of your plan are working and which you need to change. And that's it. Consider these elements carefully when creating your plan and give emotional trading a miss. To find out more about creating a trading plan, try IG Academy today. It's completely free and gives you access to short, step-by-step courses and webinars on a wide range of trading topics.